Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to print your design in A4 size using Canva. Whether you're creating a poster, a flyer, or even just a simple document, printing at the correct size is super important if you want your project to look professional and polished. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to set up your design for A4 printing in Canva, but also how to download it correctly and get a great print every time, even if you've never done this before. So let's jump right in. First up, we're going to head over to Canva and start a new project. Once you're logged in, look for the big Create a Design button. Give that a click and in the search bar that pops up, type in A4. This is a really important step because A4 isn't just a random label, it's an international standard for paper size, measuring 210 by 297 millimeters. If you pick any other size, your design might not print correctly, or you'll end up with weird cutoffs and white spaces. So make sure you're searching for and selecting the standard A4 template, especially if you plan to print at home or at a shop. Now, once you've selected A4, Canva will show you a bunch of templates to choose from. You can scroll through and pick something that matches your project. Maybe you need an event poster, a resume, or just a simple blank page to start from scratch. Don't worry if you don't find the perfect template right away. You can always customize everything later, from colors to text to images. That's one of the things I love about Canva. You've got total creative freedom. Next, it's time to design. Go ahead and add your text, images, shapes, or any Canva elements you like. Take your time with this step. There's no rush, and you can experiment as much as you want. A little tip, as you add content, always make sure important information isn't too close to the edge of the page. Leave a small margin to avoid having anything accidentally cropped when you print. It's like giving your design a little breathing room. And if you're drawing inspiration from something you've seen elsewhere, remember you can always upload your own images or logos to make the design truly yours. Once you're happy with how your A4 design looks, and don't worry, you can always go back and tweak things later, it's time to get ready for printing. Up on the top right, you'll see the Share button. Click this and you'll see several options. What you want to do here is select Download. It's going to ask you what format you'd like. Here, pick PDF. Now there are two main options, PDF Standard and PDF Print. For the sharpest, most professional results, especially if you plan to print at high quality, select PDF Print. This gives you a higher resolution and ensures your images and text come out crisp and clear on paper. Once you've chosen PDF Print, go ahead and click Download. The process may take a few moments, especially with bigger files or complex designs, so don't worry if there's a short pause, that's totally normal. Now find your downloaded PDF on your computer. All you need to do is open it up. Most computers use programs like Adobe Acrobat or even your web browser for this. When you're ready, hit Print. Remember to double-check that your printer is set to A4 size paper in the print settings. Sometimes printers default to a different size, so it's always good to be sure before you hit that final print button. And that's it, your Canva design is now printed perfectly in A4 size. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Canva or design in general. And hey, if you want more tips and walkthroughs like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.